Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on the ear device, on the know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, I have a piece of attack claps for drop on uno my wisdom warriors. But before we get into the attack claps, I want to hear this. Jamaica's commitment to progress was reflected in the recent revision of the United States Department of State Travel Advisory. This adjustment, while nonce, provides reassurance to prospective visitors about their safety and the quality of their experience when they choose Jamaica. So, my wisdom warriors, the paper put out this and said U.S. Travel Advisory shift favorably for Jamaica. The question me want to ask, how did this happen? Whole heap of people are dead. We have mass shooting twice. So how comes? Where them say that? My wisdom warriors, me have to ask these questions, Yes, me have to ask these questions because I don't know how these news media come up with this and saying Jamaica's commitment to progress was reflect. What kind of commitment to which progress was reflect in the recent revision? So my wisdom warriors, when I hear all the news media out here saying all these things, I go and I do my research. I say, I have to go and do this myself. I have to see this. Because them always say, see this believing, don't it? My box cover, my wisdom warriors, take a look at this. And when you finish, listen to the video and finish watch the video, I want to go Google it on yourself. You hear? Because I don't understand how the news media come by this. And the travel advisory still remain at level 3. It still remain at level 3. And no update. The last update was July. Because I double check. So I don't understand. So you tell me say they only said this verbally. Make it make sense. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. Look. Travel Advisory, July 25th, 2024. Jamaica Level 3, reconsider travel. Yeah? Take a look. See there? Security Alert, May 17, 2024. Take a look. You can go and Google it. Take a look. Just take a look, my wisdom warriors. Just look at this. And the news media just put this out. Just put the one I'm showing you before out and said travel advisory shift. What that mean is shift? Can you no put up no number? You just say shift. Shift go away. Is this a joke? Is this really a joke? My wisdom warriors, you know see what really is happening in our country? So you mean to tell we the Jamaican people say America shift it and update them service? Really? And update, but you know what my wisdom warriors, me there wonder how comes me not see no travel advisory 3 or no travel advisory 2 or how me not see nothing. Something not right. Because the news media put out this, my wisdom warriors, just now. It is out and you can go check it. So me don't know how them say something, but them website say something different. This no make no sense. Something not right, my wisdom warriors. You hear me? Something not right. That's why I go Google it, That's why I go Google it. I go Google it and show you. Because I not understand. Jano. Anyway, you tell me what you think and tell me what you think the government really is doing. And why the news media putting out something like this, and the website no update. I just don't get it. Reggae singer Jaur will continue serving his 6-year sentence for attempted manslaughter in the Netherlands. A Dutch judge ruled last week the Love is singer appeared in a pro forma hearing in a Dutch court as prosecutors have been pushing to overturn his attempt murder acquittal. So my wisdom warriors, all know, say Jaur the singer. Uno know say he's in Netherlands doing his time. Uno know say attorney I try to get him out, my wisdom warriors, but no good news so far. Now Jaur remanded until November as Dutch prosecutors challenge attempted murder acquittal. Anyway, you tell me what you think. Me go wish Jaur the best and hopefully he can get out. You understand? Because him see him one sing Prison Annabella Rose, you understand? And that's when reach back. You get me? So let's just see. Only hopefully he can come out before the time. When you hear what them say, he have to finish serving his 6-year sentence. So hopefully something can be done for him to get released, because it is alleged. Them say it's a setup go on. You understand? It is alleged. I wasn't there. I don't know. But I'm only using the term alleged. All right? Minister of Labour and Social Security Pernell Charles Jr. has issued a warning to people who he says are entering his hurricane-battered Clarendon southeastern constituency under the guise of distributing aid, only to be collecting from the purses on the receiving end. My wisdom warriors, when I hear them bullshit, when I hear this, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, my wisdom warriors, because as bad as things may be, me not believe this crap. Me only I tell you, say me personally don't believe this. I don't believe it. You I tell me say these people, as bad as things may be, and them always talk about criminal. Listen, one thing me know about Jamaican people, they insist that people house mash up and people house wreck, but they not gonna do things like that. They not gonna know say a old man or a woman up the road get them money if you fix up their house, cause they not know if you live and go rob them. I don't believe that crap. I don't believe it, my wisdom warriors. Uno can tell me if uno believe it, yes or no. But this, if I open my mouth today, story come to bump. Uno know that though? Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors, me believe see them. Uno want to hear what me think? Me I feel laugh after my own jokes. I personally believe, yes, them same one I go take back the money. Let me just use allege. My wisdom warriors, I believe, this is my belief. Yeah, this is what I think. Me not say that happening, my wisdom warriors. I'm not saying that's what happened. I'm only saying I believe at them same one I got go and take back the money. And that me think, my wisdom warriors. Listen, we can't put nothing past them. We can't put nothing past them, my wisdom warriors, because nobody now go do that. Want to hear me about scammers charging for hurricane relief supplies in Clarendon? I don't believe that. No scammers now do them the sitting there. No scammers now do them the something there. Because people in the community, within the community, my wisdom warriors, once them see a woman or a man up the road and a host up gone at one thing, yeah, they not go do that because they want everybody else to fix. So no go away. No go about me Jamaican people them I rob them own a people for the little piece of grant where give where make them sign up for needs, for give them the little piece of grant, and I come talk about scammers I take back money. No go and a told lie. My wisdom warriors, me can't stop laugh. You think a joke? Me say me can't stop laugh when me hear this. But I'm not saying that them do it to my wisdom warriors. No get me wrong, I'm not really saying that them do it, I believe, this is my belief, and I have a right to think what I want to think, you understand, and what I believe in, and I don't believe no scammers is doing that. You hear me? It is alleged that are them same wanna do it, my wisdom warriors. It is alleged. And I me say so, there's allegations out there. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think and tell me if you believe in this crap. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
A waste of time.
So you know what is bigger hypocrisy? Is that after this country spent wasted so much money having to hold this whole series of by-elections for, I think it was 5 or 6 American dual citizens
Right.
who were disqualified, starting with Daryl Vaz. After all of that, there is evidence now that since 2016, persons with U.S. citizenship on the government side.
What you saying? Talk to me. Talk to me. What you saying?
I'm telling you, there is evidence, and if you know, I can share it with you.
Share. Go ahead.
There is evidence that persons, for example, who are currently serving in cabinet, were in parliament after all these things that was made absolutely clear that U.S. citizens would not be eligible for parliament. They were appointed to the Senate and served there while still having a U.S.
And they're still they're still in the Senate?
And they're not still in the Senate, they're still in the cabinet.
In the cabinet. Okay.
Yes. They are in the cabinet now. In fact, they weren't in the cabinet in 2016, but they're in the cabinet now. But they were ineligible to be in parliament. And there's a strong suspicion that at least one U.S. citizen is still serving without renouncing their U.S. citizenship in the parliament.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear that? Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? And then the labor right them out here and mind the PNP business, telling lie, tricking and misleading the Jamaican people. Because I have people commenting and people are ring me and I said to me, say, Mark Golding a break the law because Mark Golding have dual citizenship and he's not supposed to in at the parliament. And I explained to the people them and said, no, Mark Golding is a part of the Commonwealth. He is allowed. The only person them when I allow is American citizen. So them have to renounce. Them have to renounce. But if you're British, you do not have to renounce because you're part of the Commonwealth. My wisdom warriors, when I hear what Peter Bunting has said, when I hear what Peter Bunting say, there's persons when I renounce the American citizen is still up to this day working, and that is against the law. That is against the law. That is breaking the Constitution. My wisdom warriors. And then them are going like say them are good somebody. Even when you see Andrew Wallace come out, in deliberately set the people them for Mark Golding. Yeah? And I make the people them look for Mark Golding different. And Jamaican people love white people like what? Me nah ask. Uno know that. Uno Jamaican know that. Deep down in our heart, uno know that. But Andrew Holness using brain pan uno. Yes, he do a PR stunt because he know about the slave thing. So he use that pan uno. And then uno fool. No for uno fool labor right. Come out and a chat off uno mouth. I can't talk about how Mark Golding a British and Mark Golding born in a Jamaica. Mark Golding born in Jamaica. Mark Golding I don't know British. In born in Jamaica, and look how much of them on the government side have dual citizenship. Uno is a hypocrite. Big set of hypocrite. Uno is a hypocrite. And if uno continue like this, Jamaica, uno shall feel it. Don't forget, me tell you all the while, don't forget what Andrew Wallace put on through pandemic. Don't forget what Andrew Wallace put on through, and it was Mark Golding was stand up for uno. It come like uno now remember the things them. Uno forget Jamaica. All with the car seat. Uno forget enough things. Just imagine people are dead. People is dying, losing their loved ones. And Andrew Wallace make the way how the police them and the police them treat the people them. The way how the police them treat the people them. All Nzinga hear them cut off. How much money the government charge, you know? People are dead. This time, they have like a compassion for the Jamaican people. There was no compassion. They in charge, you know, all 300,000 for no wear mask. Come on, Jamaica. I want to out here defending a prime minister? Really? Why? What is he doing where una benefit from? Why? My wisdom warriors, una tell me one thing, una hear what Peter Bunting say? Una hear what Peter Bunting? is saying Peter Bunting is actually talking with Kamala, that a right mango. On the ear where I say my wisdom warriors. So that for sure you say them are hypocrite. They are very hypocritical. This is why me have to lick out against them labor right there. Yeah. And honest administration no mean on well Jamaica. And honest administration don't mean on well. Don't mean on well at all. But anyway, want to tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video and share it out. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And big up on a nice clean self. One love.